Welcome back to another unboxing, guys. I got another one for you. I am buying a lot of phones right now, so I got a few unboxings in the works right now. And it would be cool if I had the box. There it is. So I have here the Nothing One phone. I'm located in the United States, so they don't sell these here. So I had to go through other means of purchasing the phone. I did purchase this particular unit on Swappa. Not that great a deal, more like a little bit below retail, which is good. Which is good for me, especially for a phone that just came out recently. So this is the Phone 1 packaging. It's pretty slim, and I know it's made out of recyclable pieces too, so that's good for the environment. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this blue tape does not belong there. Looks like it looks like this box had one of those tears to open it up. You pull the tab here and it rips along the sides. I'm guessing that's why it's just tape, because otherwise it wouldn't stay on. Alright, so let's get into the box. I bought the white one, so I don't know if the box is black if you bought the black one, but so you tear this piece off. Tear this piece off, and then you got two slots here. Right there. Two slots. Obviously one of them is the phone, I can tell right there. One of them is the phone. Okay, there goes. This box is pretty well structured. I like it, so like you can't smash it right through all the stuff. The box is pretty sturdy. And we've got accessories. Well, it says accessories. I don't know. Maybe the case was supposed to be in here. That would make more sense that the case would be in this thing, but okay, we got a SIM ejector tool. This is probably the coolest thing in terms of SIM ejector tools I've seen. Maybe you can get that up here. Look at that. Look at that SIM ejector. It comes with a little clear piece of plastic around the pin ejector, that's pretty cool. I like this one. We have a pamphlet, safety information, warranty, and USB-C to USB-C cable. All right, let's put this thing to the side. Move on and see what else we have here. It looks like this is going to be what's left of it. Oh, since the little wrap is not connected with the phone, it doesn't really come out smoothly. I'm sure it comes out smoothly for your other phones. So there's the box, empty, nothing else in there. Nothing else in there, pun intended. And then we have the phone. I must have pressed it or something. It's already on. Oh, was it off? Weird. So there's the back of the phone. Oh my god, it's pretty slippery. This is the front of the phone, and it keeps turning on. So this phone, it comes in white and black. I have the white one here because I think it looks better. So this particular model is 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage. They also come with an 8 GB of RAM and a 128 GB storage if you want to save a little bit more. And then if you want more RAM, you can pay a little bit more and get the 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage option if you want to go that route. So far, this looks really good. I have heard that you could put the iPhone 12 Max screen protector on here and it'll fit flush edge to edge. So if you need a good idea of how big the phone is, you can always find someone with a 12 or iPhone 13 Max. Power on this side, and then over here we got the volume rocker. Volume rocker. On the top, just the microphone. At the bottom, we have the SIM tray slot. No expandable storage in here. USB-C charger and a speaker. Now, if you already know what this phone's about, it is about these lights. There's a glyph on the back. They call it the glyphs. These little lights, they light up when your phone rings and stuff, and it's supposed to sort of match the beat of whatever's ringtone is playing. So that's pretty cool. I want to see that in action. The railings look like they look like iPhone railings, which is fine, which is great. They're flat. They're flat on each side. On the back side, we got 2 vertical cameras, and nothing much to say about it except for the front. There's also a hole punch in the top left corner. It's top right, whichever you're facing. Top left. Maybe I'll go through this real quick and see if we can get to the lights. There it is. I got the little setup page going on, introducing glyphs. But I just wanted to show off the notifications and see if see if they're how they work. There's a few. Oh, if you choose that ringtone, pneumatic. How many songs? That one's just the bottom. I'm gonna download a ringtone really quickly. Just give me a second. Okay, check out these lights. That was a remix of a Daft Punk song from the Tron soundtrack. Alright, so that's gonna be my ringtone for the next week and a half or so. I'm gonna give this a full review and you'll see a video soon. As you already know, I'm working on a Flip 4 video. I've got another unboxing to do like in the next day or so. So that's gonna be pretty cool. A lot of phones this fall, you know. October's coming in next month. Got a lot more stuff, huh? Alright, that's it for now. Keep a lookout for my rest of my videos. If you like what you see, subscribe. It would really help me out. Have a good one, guys. Take it easy.